सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning all of you. Today we are going to start chapter 15, that is triangles. First we will know the basic of triangles and the property, then we will start exercise. By the name triangle. Triangle consists of two words, tri and angles. Tri means three, okay, which has three angles and three sides. That closed figure is known as triangle. Definition is here. Now what is vertex? The point where any two sides of triangle meet is called vertex. Where two sides meets, that point is known as vertex, okay. And vertices is the plural of vertex. So in this exercise, first we will see how many properties are there and how to apply it, okay. So for that, let us see the first property. Check first property. Figure number 1. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Check figure 1. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. What is the name of this property? The name of this property is angle sum property, okay. Whenever you plus all the three angles of a triangle, always it will come two right angles. Two right angles means 180 degree, okay. Check this property number 2. What is the relation between exterior and interior? Always remember, one exterior angle is equal to the sum of its two interior opposite angle. It is better you check the third column. Exterior angle CAE. Exterior means which is made outside of the triangle. That one angle is equal to two angles. Which two angles? Which are opposite to them, okay. More detail I will tell you with the help of exercise question of this, okay. So let us start the exercise. Let us start exercise question number 1. Three angles are given and you have to state that with the following three angles you can make triangle or not, or triangle is possible or not. So we will plus all the three angles. If it will come 180 degree, then we will say yes, triangle is possible, because the sum of angles of triangle is always 180 degree. And if it is coming less than 180 degree, more than 180 degree, then you will write no, triangle is not possible, okay. 2. If the angles of a triangle are equal, find its angles. Always remember, if in question diagram is not there, first you make the diagram of triangle. If you make the diagram of triangle, it will help you to solve the question, okay. Check A, B, C. All the three angles are equal, means x, x, x. So let the equal angle be x. Angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So x plus x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is 60 degree. Number 4. In a triangle PQR, angle P is given 60 degree, angle Q is equal to angle R, then we have to find angle R. What I have told you at first, we will try to make the figure. So see the figure at first. Check triangle PQR. According to question, in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. In the bracket what I have written, angle sum property. Angle P 60, angle Q is R, angle R is already R. So 60 angle R plus angle R, 2 angle R. So 2 angle R is equal to 180 minus 60, 120. Therefore angle R is equal to 60 degree. And hence angle Q is also equal to 60 degree. So in chapter triangle, one thing you have to remember, if figure is not given, make figure, and the first line is always fixed. You add all the three angles and you write 180 degree, and after that if the value is given, put the value, do simplification, your answer will come. Question is very easy. Calculate the unknown angle x. 90 plus 30 plus x is equal to 180 degree. See the solution. I have told you 90 plus x plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property, 120 plus x equal to 180 degree, therefore x is equal to 60 degree. Okay, angle sum property. Find the value of each angle. Figure is same, triangle is given, all the three angles are given, you have to plus and you have to write 180 degree. Okay, see the solution. Check. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Angle sum property, angle A is 5x, angle B is 4x, angle C is x plus it, 5 plus 4 plus 1, 10x equal to 180 degree, therefore x is equal to 18 degree. So angle A is 5x, so 5 into 18 90, angle B is 4x, 4 into 18 72, angle A C is x, so x is 18 degree. Like this we can solve by angle sum property all the questions which involves the form of triangle. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this very nicely. If you have any doubt, watch the video again and try to understand and try some questions, practice it by yourself. Okay, thank you, have a good day, God bless you.